the Department of Agriculture, DA, began its orientation for its vaccination drive against the African swine fever, or ASF, today in Lobo, Batangas. 160 small hog racers and commercial farms took part and expressed willingness to have their livestock vaccinated against ASF. This is part of the controlled vaccination program of the DA that aims to curb the spread of the disease. The Agriculture Department, though, still can't say when the actual vaccination will begin, as the laboratory that will receive the blood samples for the pigs that will be inoculated is still being prepared.
Biglang dadami yung mga samples, kukuhanin. Dapat yung mga laboratory natin kagaya ng Regional Animal Disease Diagnostics Laboratory sa Lipa ay ready to accept and evaluate ito. Yung isang vial kasi may laman yun na 50 doses. So kailangan clustered yung mga backyard, hindi masayang yung yung bakuna kasi siyempre pag nabuksan yun kailangan na iturok agad.